Ẹ káàbọ̀. In the last lesson, we learned how to ask questions in Yoruba using words like what, where, and who. Today, we are continuing with Yoruba questions, part 2. And you will learn how to use when in two different ways and another important question word. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you to Shetima for the comment on our last video. So please watch to the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will give you a shout out in the next video. Let's begin. Now the first when is as a question. When you want to ask when directly, we use Nígbà wo or Ìgbà wo, meaning which time. Both are correct, but in everyday Yoruba word, Nígbà wo is more natural and more commonly used in speech. And this means at which time. I hope you understand that. Good. So let's look at few examples.
Hey, báwo ni? Nígbà wo lo dé?
Mo dé lánàá. Nígbà wo lò ń lọ?
Mo ń lọ lọ́la.
This lady here is asking a friend about the specific time she arrived by saying Nígbà wo lo dé. Nígbà wo lo dé means when did you arrive? You can as well say Ìgbà wo lo dé, and that often appears in fast speech. And the other lady replied, Mo dé lánàá, meaning I arrived yesterday. She asked again, Nígbà wo lò ń lọ? When are you going? And a friend replied, Mo ń lọ lọ́la, meaning I am going tomorrow. But don't forget, this question is an informal. For you to make it formal, you just change the lo to le. What do I mean? Nígbà wo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Nígbà wo lẹ dé? I hope you get that now. Thank you. Now let's look at the second when, which is Ìgbàtí. Can you sound Ìgbàtí? Good. This when is used when you are not asking question, but explaining or telling a story. You can also use it to respond or reply to the question Nígbà wo. Do you get it? Example: Nígbàtí mo dé, when I arrived. Nígbàtí mò ń lọ, when I was going. Nígbàtí mò ń bọ̀, when I was coming. So Nígbàtí is actually talking about a period or moment, not asking questions.
Mo rí Adé lénìí.
Nígbà wo lo rí Adé?
Nígbà tí mò ń bọ̀.
Here, the mother was asking the boy, when did you see Ade? Nígbà wo lo rí Adé? And the little boy replied, Nígbà tí mò ń bọ̀. Now, I hope you can connect the question and the answer together. Nígbà wo and Nígbàtí. Good. Another question word we are learning today is which. The word for which is èwo. Èwo is used when you're choosing between options. Can I hear you say èwo? Perfect.
Èwo lo fẹ́?
Èwo lo fẹ́ means which one do you want? And that is informal. Èwo lẹ fẹ́ is formal, choosing between two or more options. If you find this video helpful, kindly put in the comment section below. I am learning either in Yoruba or in English. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you in the next lesson. Ó dàbọ̀.